What's going on, everyone? I just got done editing all of our Disneyland videos and California Adventure videos. We had season passes for about a year, and on the rides I took my 4K gimbal stabilized low light camera. So for the next few weeks I'll be dropping those videos. So if you want to see what the ride's about, stay tuned and we'll take you on a POV adventure. What ride are we doing? What ride are we doing?
Spider-Man. Give it a toilet. Scooty toilet.
We got Huds in here. We're gonna do their Spider-Man ride.
Hi there, and come on in. Welcome to the Worldwide Engineering Brigade. Thanks to funding from Tony Stark, WEB has brought together the world's most brilliant engineers and given them access to cutting-edge resources so that they can create tech that will
Superheroes, babe, your favorite.
people like you. Like me, for example. I'm Sharon, the artificial intelligence that keeps this place organized and running smoothly. Yes, WEB has some of the brightest minds in town, but I keep things around here pretty chill.
Oh, look at the spider robot. Baby, hold them for a minute. I'll show Nixie.
Give it a toilet, Ohio Riz.
I'm gonna show you, okay? I'm gonna put you on my shoulders.
Have a great time on your visit to the Worldwide Engineering Brigade Open House.
See the little robot?
And now, our project lead, the brilliant, Peter Parker.
Hey, what's up? I'm Peter Parker. Here at WEB, we got access to some pretty awesome tech. Vibranium from Wakanda, or this crazy alien juice stuff we have to be part of the Stark tech. It all helps us develop really cool stuff like these spider bots, for example. Check it out. They have this really cool self-replicating feature.
Because
It's awesome.
You know, that's the hologram,
But
right?
you can stop doing that now. But anyway, you guys are here today to help us
The
test
hologram is real.
the WEB Slinger vehicle. Using onboard tech, you will be able to sling webs just like
Peter, your presentation is getting away from you.
Yeah, I'm aware of that, Sharon. If you could just initiate the safety protocols, it'd be great.
Problem with that, Peter?
You want to sling a web, all you gotta do is sling your arm in the direction you want to shoot the web, and that's it. That's awesome.
Peter, your spider bots are continuing to replicate and are consuming everything in their path.
They seem to be stuck in self-automation mode. If you could just handle that for me, please.
On it. Contacting Mr. Stark.
Don't call Mr. Stark! Don't call Mr. Stark. Sorry, I'm shocked. Just call someone else, ask them to do it.
Okay. Contacting Spider-Man.
See the spider in there, Nixon?
I'm gonna go find Spider-Man first, because he's around here somewhere. Okay, good one. Spider-Man!
As you may have noticed, the spider bots are locked in that awesome self-replication mode. In spite of what we see, they were created to be robotic helpers that can break down raw material and create all kinds of useful tech. But because they are stuck in self-replication mode, the spider bots are currently consuming everything in sight and multiplying at an alarming rate. If left unchecked, my calculations predict this will lead to the devastation of the entire Avengers Campus. It should be safe until Spider-Man gets here, as long as they don't get into the alien fluid. This is now a bigger problem. Activating threat level protocols.
Hey guys, what's up? I hear you have a fun problem. I'm here to help.
You made it. Great. Threat level is at exponential danger. Might need some help. Perhaps I'll call the Avengers.
Don't worry, everyone. I got this. Okay, everybody. Open house is canceled.
Wise idea.
But I could use some help.
Yes, you could.
Sharon, prep the Slinger vehicles.
Already on.
Everyone head to the Slingers and we'll team up to stop the spider bots before they destroy the campus.
That's Spider-Man, he's talking to you.
Okay, we have a plan. Please move quickly through the doors and down the hall to the Slinger vehicle bay. Your open house demo has been upgraded to a high-stakes mission to save Avengers Campus.
That would be my Oscar if I had.
Which one? The one with the flowers?
With the acorns and all the flowers.
This would be Nixon's with the T-Rex.
This would be freaking Hudson.
The wheel?
The ride
Yeah, we're going on it right now. Yeah, where they talked.
Yeah.
Looks like we got to get glasses. It's a 3D ride. Got your pair? Guys, say it.
How do I look?
Give it on it.
How do I look? Fancy.
I think we have to do this.
Oh, you're
guys.
fancy, huh? You're fancy.
Nixon, how are you gonna do your web? Show me your web.
I'm gonna do it
What
like
sounds
this.
you're gonna
No, you gotta go like this. Look,
Give it a
Nixon.
lot.
Look at this.
Motion tracking, assigning individualized point profiles, web shot calibrating.
Whoa.
You there, Spider-Man?
Peter, where are you?
On our way. Okay, please sit back and enjoy your ride until we testing disaster.
Wait, I thought we were still exponential nature. Yeah, disaster sounds right.
I got you, Grace.
Little help here! Yeah. I'm glad to see you guys.
What do you do?
Ready to get in the tunnels?
How am I winning?
I only got one hand. I'm recording.
How am I winning?
Elevator threat level 2 out of control. Should I call for more help now?
No. We can handle it. It's a small problem. Actually, big problem.
You're just throwing webs everywhere.
Like throwing a gang sign.
Yeah, you're good at throwing gang signs, babe.
I'm detecting unstable spots ahead.
Again, right?
Sorry. Elevating threat level to legit crazy.
Yeah, that sounds right.
The yellow tower now locked on the front. Spider-Man losing consciousness in 3, 2, 1. Spider-Man, the threat level's at the worst thing ever.
This is good at throwing
Also,
gang
the
signs.
giant bot survived. But those chain reactions did work.
Wait, the green box exploded. If we intentionally hit those green box, maybe we'll trigger a chain reaction.
I think you're right. That should stop them.
We did it! I can't believe the chain reaction thing worked!
Got like a world
You
record.
guys were amazing!
I'm very impressed, Spider-Man. You really solved the problem.
Who throws up the best gang sign?
That was also your idea.
Look at, there they are.
Peter, looks like you guys and Spider-Man really saved the day.
Correct. Downgrading threat level to don't tell Tony.
Actually, better tell Tony.
I think that's a wise decision, Peter. For your safety, please remain seated.
How do you know? Because look at the numbers. I win. My numbers are the same.
She beat you Kai by 200.
No, I was gold.
Reinforcements
Who's red?
remain seated inside the transit.